In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at how we can override our default print method whenever we are making use of classes. And here you can see that when we are creating an instance of a class student and providing some values like address over here, let's provide name as well, and these two things are then passed to this constructor, which is the init method. And here you can see we are passing the keyword arguments, and this basically assigns the name and address to these variables. We have functions as well, which currently just prints the name and addresses, and that is what we used in previous examples. Now in this one we are saying print and then the object itself, that is the student. Here you will notice that we have a special function which is _str_, and obviously, as with other methods of a class, this also has a method parameter called self. Here what we are doing is we are simply saying return and then the format keyword, that's with f, the student name is, and then we are accessing the attribute self.name, and the address is self.address, and this line will be printed whenever we call print statement and pass the student object. So if I run this now, you'll notice that it says the student name is John and address is USA. So this comes in handy whenever you're working with certain classes where you want to print specific output depending on certain conditions, and utilizing print in this way basically allows you to encapsulate your business logic within a class and its methods. So that was how we can override print method in a class.